those crazy things you said, left them running through my head. Welcome sa panibago nating tutorial. Sa video na ito, pag-aaralan natin ng Wish You Were Here by Avril Lavigne. At para updated ka sa mga bago pa nating tutorial, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, simulan na natin. Ang kapo natin ay sa 4th fret. Ang mga chords na gagamitin natin ay C, G, A minor, at F. Or yung alternative chord ng F. Pagdating sa C, 2nd string ay 1st fret, 4th string ay 2nd fret, and 5th string ay 3rd fret. Next ay G. 1st string at 2nd string ay 3rd fret, 5th string ay 2nd fret, and 6th string ay 3rd fret. Next ay A minor. 2nd string ay 1st fret, and then 3rd string at 4th string ay 2nd fret. Next ay F. Index finger ay sa 1st fret, and then 3rd string ay 2nd fret, 4th string at 5th string ay 3rd fret. Kung nahirapan kayo dito, pwedeng iting gamitin yung alternative chord ng F. 2nd string ay 1st fret, and then 3rd string ay 2nd fret, and 4th string ay 3rd fret. Strum nyo lang siya magmula sa 4th string hanggang 1st string. Pwedeng ito yung gamitin yung alternative chord ng F. Pagdating naman sa strumming pattern, ang gagamitin natin ay down, down, up, down, 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 up. Ulit, down, down, up, down, 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 up. Sa C, down, down, up, down, down, up. And then G, down, down, up, down, down, up. A minor. And then F, alternative chord, down, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Can be tough, I can be strong, but with you, it's not like that at all. And then ulit lang sa C, there's a girl that gives up behind this wall, just walk through it. Remember all those crazy things you said, left them running through my head. Always there, everywhere. Right now I wish you were here. All those crazy things we did, didn't think about it, just went with it. Always there, everywhere. Right now I wish you were here. Okay, yan po ang verse natin. And then pagdating naman sa chorus, ganun pa rin po yung chords C, G, A minor, at F. Or yung alternative chord ng F. Strumming pattern, kagaya pa rin po ng sa verse, down, down, up, down, up. Sa C, down, down, up, down, up. G, down, down, up, down, up. To have you here, I wish you were here. And then ulit lang sa C. What I do to wish you were here. Okay, yan po ang chorus natin. Pagkatapos niyan, balik verse lang ulit. Kagaya pa rin po ng pinag-aralan natin kanina sa verse 1. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating tutorial. Sana po ay may natutunan kayo. At kung nahihirapan naman po kayo, ay practice lang at makukuha nyo rin yan. Abangan nyo na lang ulit ang susunod nating tutorial.